Yeah, we need to get a picture of you and me. We will. We are eating food. Hey, Robin!
We're gonna cut the cake now.
We're gonna cut the cake now. Okay. What do I have to do?
Eric John.
Cool.
Hey, screw my grave.
And he totally didn't even look.
We're gonna cut the cake. You need to make an announcement about us cutting the cake.
And yes, I did throw a grape at you.
Yes, you threw a grape at you. Barbara. Are you ready?
Food fight.
Attention, everybody! Attention! Attention! Bride and groom are gonna cut their cake.
Robin and chicken.
She don't want a big piece. Squeezed in her mush.
Oh, come on.
Come on, Robin.
I got the most plastic.
We're having chili.
Before I can even touch myself, this is out.
Yum yum.
Be like, why is she still standing up?
Because she's sticky. And she's covered in frosting.
Okay, I'm going to deem myself worthy to touch myself.
Alrighty. I am going to turn this off so we can finish eating. And yeah. Yep. So, Mark and I are at the main society now. The wedding is over. But we are looking at these cute little baby dogs. They're so little. Teeny tiny. Oh, and there's somebody in here. I see your little nose in there. Yeah. Oh. Hi, babies. It's okay. I got all kinds of animals. So they got all different kinds of dogs in here. It's pretty neat to go through and look at them. Hi, they're cute! Oh, and that one. But yeah, so we were checking out the animals. Seeing what they got. Looked at a couple different dogs. Don't think we're gonna get any dogs today, maybe. I don't know. Probably not today. But it's always fun to look, so we'll see what happens. So, yay! Looking at the puppies. Oh, you guys. So, we're gonna keep looking. So, yay, puppy. Okay, Mark.
There's its guts.
We are at a Chinese restaurant here in Wilmer. And Mark is trying to eat a crayfish. Ew.
That's its butt.
Ew, I don't want to hear about its butt. Just eat it. We're going to eat it, eat it. Well, while Mark plays with this food.
Okay.
I have sushi,
So out of all this,
and I've never had sushi before.
out of all this, you get this little meat.
Oh, ew. That's just... Is it good? No spitting it out. But yeah, so we are going to eat our food and sushi. Because I have never had sushi before. Just stop playing around my camera. And we went to the Humane Society, and then we went to the pet store here in town. We did not get a dog as much as I wanted one. But we did order a new turtle for me. So, once my turtle comes in, then we'll have a new turtle. Yay, new turtle! We are getting a Russian, it's actually a Russian tortoise is what we are getting. So hopefully the lady's supposed to call me back and tell me if she can order one or not. So that is the plan. Okay.
If they've ordered one before, though, they should be able to order one again.
Yeah. So, Mark, you need to videotape me eating sushi. So I've never had it before. Are you ready? I don't know about that.
Hang on, stop. Put the sushi back.
What?
First thing you do when you eat sushi is you eat a piece of ginger.
Well, you gotta sort of... Okay,
Yes,
so
eat
you
a
eat
piece of ginger.
What exactly is ginger?
It gets all the taste of everything else out of your mouth, so when you eat it or eat the sushi, you get the full effect of it.
What is ginger, though?
It's some kind of root, I think.
Okay.
Okay, you ate the ginger. Now you take this, I think it's agave sauce or something. It's like $100 a pound, or $1,000 a pound or something.
But you gotta show it in the camera.
That stuff there. But in America, they take horseradish and green food coloring, and that's what they use instead.
Okay.
And you put it on your one.
And now what do I do with it? Okay, what do I do with it?
Put it right there.
Okay.
You take, I think it's soy sauce, and you put a little bit on there.
Do I open this or I don't open this?
You don't open it.
Okay.
You take use a spoon, and yeah.
Okay. And then
Take your sushi.
dip it in the sauce.
Now you eat it.
Okay. I'm ready to eat it.
Good.
Weird, but good. Yep. My camera. That's not bad. Mark has lots of sushi on his plate. So, we are going to finish eating our food, and then we are going to go do some other stuff. Yay.
Yay.
So, we're going to go eat now.